everyone, today I will be explaining the famous experiment that Avery, MacLeod, and McCarthy did in 1944 that proved that DNA is in fact a transforming principle. First, let's define some new terms that may be new to you. Transformation is the genetic alteration of a cell resulting from the uptake of foreign DNA from outside of the cell. And as you can see, this DNA is incorporated into the genome of the host bacteria. Virulent can be defined as the ability of a pathogen to damage a host and cause sickness. The process of transformation was first discovered by Frederick Griffith in 1928, but scientists were not sure what specific chemical or molecule was responsible for transformation. That was the main question that Avery, MacLeod, and McCarthy wanted to find out. They decided to test 3 different choices: RNA, proteins, and DNA. Now that the scene is set, let's get into it. First, they used heat to kill all of the virulent bacteria so that nothing would alter the results of the experiment. Next, they filtered it and gave the filtrate 3 different treatments: RNase, which destroys RNA, proteases, which destroys proteins, and DNase, which destroys DNA. Let's think about this in another sense. Say you want to see which ingredient causes cake to rise. You bake 3 different cakes, one without sugar, one without baking powder, and one without butter. The cake that was flat proves that the missing ingredient is the one that contributes to cake rising. Now back to their experiment. Next, the solutions are transferred into a media with a different strain of a new bacteria. This step was vital to proving what the transforming agent was. If RNA was the transforming agent, then destroying it in the original bacteria would not allow it to take in or transform any genetic information from the new strain of bacteria into its own genome. This would result into genetically identical bacterial cells being found in the final media. The results of the experiment show that the media treated with DNase, which destroys DNA, was the only culture that did not contain transformed bacteria, thus proving that DNA is the transforming material.